What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, on this grapevine, like, they have some random sticks that kind of go way out of control. So we're just kind of cleaning that up a little bit. So, it all started with this ribbon right here. I saw it and I was like, ooh, I want to play with that. So then I started walking around the warehouse and I found lemon picks. So we're gonna make a lemon wreath. So I am gonna take some ficus. Y'all, I'm also using the DecoExchange cutters for the first time. So that's fun. So we turn that one piece into smaller stems. All right, I'm gonna use this for the top and the bottom. Y'all, we're gonna give this a nice little bend and curve. All right, I don't want it to be perfect at all. All right, and I'm gonna get this one up here at the top. All right, so on this design, I wanna leave a lot of the grapevine empty and I wanna focus just up here with the pretties. We're just going to decorate this upper piece right here and kind of let stuff hang down and leave all of this bare. But this is a really inexpensive greenery piece. Like, that whole piece was less than $1. And it let me build out how I want to put in the more expensive pieces. All right, next we're gonna go with our ribbon. All right, so I'm gonna go with 2.5-inch burlap and the 1.5-inch blue lemons. All right, so let's measure out about 12 inches. Give it a good twist. And then measure about 6 inches out here. And a good 8-inch tail over here. And we're just gonna layer these back and forth. Y'all, this is a very simple bow, nothing major going on here. We're just gonna layer them back and forth. All right, let's get a couple more layers of our bow. All right, let's get a little bit more of this lemon ribbon in here and call this one done. All right, let's get this tied off. So y'all, whenever you tighten up your bows, if they don't start to perk up, it's not tight enough. So we've got our bow. We're gonna get our bow added right into this spot up here that we left. All right, so I'm just gonna run the pipe cleaner right through the grapevine and get it tied off. So we got our bow on. Let's grab some of our lemon picks. All right, so we've got our lemon pick. We're gonna fluff this out. All right, so we've got our lemon pick all spread out. All right, so I'm gonna get this one added to the top. Y'all, this grapevine is the only part that I use right here is super tight. Because, of course. All right, get this glued in. Now let's get some lemons coming out this way. All right, so we got this one nice and spread out. Y'all, let's see if the new cutter will cut the stem. Oh yeah, cut it without a problem. Now on this side, we'll probably add 2 lemon stems if I had to guess. I think I want to get a little bit of lemons going this way. So I want to get this one positioned a little bit lower and this way, right? So we still build out I want to get a little bit more color in here. I grabbed some blue. Filler flower. So this one has 3 pieces. This one up. Y'all, this one bush may be all that we need. Let's get it all nice and fluffed out. All right, so I'm gonna add 1 to the top. So that top one, I'm going to pull some of the blue to the front to make it look like it all naturally goes together. All right, so same thing, we just fluffed out that bottom piece. And we're gonna get it over here somewhere. All right, then I wanna get one coming this way with the lemon stem. All right, so I'm gonna work. So we wanna make sure we're carrying our color with everything else, right? So we've got blue, blue, let's get some blue down here. All right, let's trim up our ribbon tails and see what we got. All right, so I like to cut my tails at all different lengths inside the bow. So we will probably take our ribbon and make us a fake ribbon tail right down here. All right, so we're gonna just add 2 fake ribbon tails in there. So we just did that little number. We're gonna give it a good little twist. Now, I didn't like this because I just want my bow to look like it's bigger. So I'm going to take these two things right here and add them right down here. All right, now you can pull these tails around. Get some of these florals on top of the ribbon. Last thing I want to add is just a little bit of this white filler. All right, let's trim some of these off. Y'all, I'm gonna push these down to the tips so that I've got just like a little cluster of white flowers. Y'all, also, whenever I add my pieces in, I like to make them fluffed out. None of it is flat. We can't have anything flat, y'all. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit more of that white out this way. So now I just need to get a little bit of the white filler down this way. Y'all, we may, because I got a little too happy up here, I may just go ahead and build out this way a little bit. So to make that happen, what I'm gonna do is build out, let me turn around. I'm gonna build out like this so that I have some coming out this way and some coming out the top. All right, got that stem where we want it. Let's glue that in place. Let's get a little bit more glue in here. All right, y'all, we're done. Good night, y'all.